Welcome to our channel, and in this video I'll tell you about Indu 4.0. First, please notice our disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video, and before we start I do want to say that all the links you will need for this video and for Indu 4.0 will be down in the description, but now let's dive right into. So first I wanted to talk a little bit about Indu 4.0. What is it? What is the team? What does it do? Which is very important, but we'll also talk about the pre-sale, which is coming up October the 30th. So depending on where you're watching this, it has either started already or it's almost starting. But first let's talk a little bit about Indu 4.0, because to be honest, it's an amazing project that actually provides some real utility and value to the world. So what Indu 4.0 tries to do is it tries to get blockchain technology for the manufacturing industry. And the manufacturing industry is one of the biggest industries in the world, and there are no big players in crypto yet that are trying to really provide solutions for the manufacturing industry until there's Indu 4.0. And Indu 4.0 aims to take the manufacturing industry to a game-changing and whole new level by implementing the blockchain technology that we know and introducing virtual processes. And as you can see right here on their website, indu40.io, again, all the links will be down in the description, you can see that the pre-sale is coming up. The private sale has just ended. You can see that already 47 million Indu, which is going to be their token, has been raised already out of 277 million, but the pre-sale, which is starting in 2 days, ends at 137 million. So definitely check it out and be early enough to not get into the public sale and getting to that pre-sale. So as we said and we talked about earlier as well, with Indu 4.0, a global marketplace for the manufacturing industry is created, and it's opening up new markets, massive cost savings using that blockchain technology, secure data exchange and virtual trade fairs, metaverses, all possible due to the Indu 4.0 platform. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about that ecosystem that Indu 4.0 is going to create. It's blockchain based, as we know. It's going to use blockchain technology to service the manufacturing industry. They have loyalty programs, so you can get rewarded with Indu tokens through the platform usage. They use NFT technology for security, so you can benefit from document protection and copyright protection for technical drawings. And they will implement metaverses as well, for example, so that you can pay for trade fairs and exhibition spaces in those online metaverse trade fairs. So definitely great innovation and great ideas for the entire platform. And also they really implement the metaverse aspect directly to the manufacturing industry, because the manufacturing industry has a lot of trade fairs. And making that online metaverse, you create a lot of new possibilities for those manufacturing companies, and altogether you create a lot of value. So the platform itself will be for the manufacturing industry, like we said, but it will specifically target the purchasers and the providers. So they're really trying to target the entire manufacturing industry, and they're trying to create a platform that suits both best. So as we said earlier, this brings a lot of opportunities, so some real value to those companies. It is also, Indu 4.0 is a real company, a legal company based in Switzerland. Funny story, it's actually based in the crypto valley in Switzerland in a place called Zug. Definitely check that out, because it's an amazing innovation hub in Switzerland, and it's just one of the signs that Indu 4.0 is here to stay. So, but some of the opportunities are is that you can pay for services on the Indu 4.0 platform, which is helping you. You can pay for those metaverse booths, which we talked about. You get your copyrights protected with the Indu token on NFT technology, and you have some great loyalty programs. So here you can see some more about the Indu token, some of the distribution. You can check that out. Great distribution, but also some important dates you need to know. Again, all the links will be down in the description, but also like the private sale price, pre-sale price, which you will apply for, and the public sale. And this is one of the reasons why I would definitely check out that pre-sale, because as you can see, it goes up by 33% from the pre-sale to the public sale. So their team is all fully documented and reliable, all based in Switzerland, as we said. On their website, again, under team at the top menu right there, you can check them out. You can actually see that they have some very relevant experience already, and another part of a great formula for success for Indu 4.0. They have some amazing partners and investors as well, such as Hector Network, which has already invested quite a bit. But apart from that, they have a lot of partners either helping them with what they're doing with the creation of their platform, or investors. So it's a real company, and they're really trying to go for this platform, and all aspects are looking very good, I have to say. So Indu 4.0 has also already been mentioned on Forbes. Yes, you heard that correctly, about becoming the innovative leader of the biggest industrial revolution since 1970. So they're really being picked up by the media as well, and I would definitely definitely not miss out on that pre-sale. So now let's talk about that pre-sale a little bit more. As we said, it's starting the 30th of October. So in 2 days and 4 hours right now, the 28th of October. And if you actually want to buy the Indu token, what you have to do is you go to their website. Again, all the links will be down in the description, indu40.io. You press register now, and this will take you to a different screen where you can create an account. And on that account, you can actually purchase the token yourself. So now a little bit more to zoom into the information on the pre-sale itself. So we already checked this out, but I really wanted to show you again because the private sale has already started. All right, so we're too late for that. Then it was 4 cents per token, but Indu 4.0 has already created its platform. It's almost coming out, so they're very far in the development. They have great backing and partners, and you can still participate in that pre-sale for 6 cents a token, while the public sale is coming very quickly, sooner than you think. Then it will be 8 cents a token. So definitely check out that pre-sale, because right now you can still get the Indu token, which they will launch very shortly, for a reduced price. All right, so with that, we have reached the end of this video. Once more, all the links you will need for the pre-sale, but also for Indu 4.0 will be down in the description. But in this video, we talked about Indu 4.0, what is it, the team, some of the partners they have, but also most importantly, their pre-sale. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.